What I felt stood out for me with the UWE degree programme in accounting and finance was the practical nature of it. I found it very straightforward when I was working in industry to apply my knowledge very quickly and easily. I could translate the things I had learned at UWE straight into my workplace and make an impact pretty much straight away. And I'd say that is all down to the teaching and the ways of teaching that we have here at UWE.
The course at UWE focuses on real life, and we get a lot of experience from other businesses coming in and showing us how it's done in the real world, which is much better than learning from a textbook.
The benefit of doing the accounting and finance was I could really understand the concepts in the business world. So for example, just what my debits and credits were, it was something that was completely new to me at the beginning of studying accounting and finance. But once I came to UWE, it was able to kind of give me the foundations that I needed to apply that in the workplace.
During my first year at UWE, I had what they call PAL sessions, which is peer-assisted learning, where the second year students ran these sessions, which were there to help the learning of first year students. So effectively kind of going through the material that was covered during my first year to help me kind of reinforce the knowledge that I kind of gleaned during lectures.
I did my placement in commercial finance in GE Energy Services, and the way I got that placement was through the placement centre. The placement centre was very helpful in terms of writing my CV, writing my covering letter, going through it with me, doing interview practices as well, understanding what things I could use as a selling point.
I went to go and work in the public sector in the NHS in Bristol. I worked as a financial accountant, using the skills and knowledge that I've developed during my first and second year at uni, and really sort of applying them into their everyday needs of quite a typical accountant role.
I think the course prepares you for a placement, and going out you was able to apply that to a real life situation and see how it works. It added to the theoretical knowledge you already had, but coming back to university you was able to apply the new stuff you learned to what you had done on placement, so it worked in two ways.
I met Ernst and there and then, and I maintained a sort of professional relationship with them during my time, and that then led to my current job now.